Healthy Daily Routines: 7 Proven Habits for a Healthier You. Are you looking for ways to enhance your daily routine and lead a healthier life but don't know where to start? You're in the right place. Incorporating healthy habits into your daily routine can be a game changer for your overall well-being. In today's video, we'll dive into 7 proven habits that can transform your health and well-being. These daily routines are simple yet highly effective, and they can be easily incorporated into your busy lifestyle. In this video, we will explore morning hydration, daily physical activity, balanced nutrition, mindful eating, stress management, adequate sleep, consistent self-care. We'll cover the importance of each habit, practical tips for integrating them into your life, and common mistakes to avoid. By following these habits, you can make significant strides towards a healthier you. Teaser: stick around to learn how small, consistent changes can lead to significant improvements in your health and well-being. We'll also share some success stories to motivate you. Warm up. Importance: warming up before starting your day helps to boost your metabolism, energize your body, and prepare your mind for a productive day. Gentle stretches: begin with gentle stretches to loosen up your muscles. Light cardio: engage in light cardio such as a brisk walk or jumping jacks for 5 minutes. Morning hydration importance: drinking water in the morning kick-starts your metabolism, helps with digestion, and keeps you hydrated throughout the day. Routine: drink a glass of water. Aim to drink at least 1 glass of water as soon as you wake up. Add lemon. For added benefits, squeeze a lemon into your water for a vitamin C boost. Daily physical activity. Importance: incorporating physical activity into your daily routine helps to maintain a healthy weight, improves cardiovascular health, and boosts your mood. Routine: morning workouts. Try to fit in a 30-minute workout session, whether it's yoga, jogging, or strength training. Regular movement. Ensure you stay active throughout the day by taking breaks to stretch or walk. Balanced nutrition. Importance: eating a balanced diet ensures you're getting the essential nutrients your body needs to function optimally. Eat a balanced breakfast. Include proteins, healthy fats, and whole grains in your breakfast. Healthy meals. Plan your meals to include a variety of colorful vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Mindful eating. Importance: mindful eating helps you make better food choices and prevents overeating by paying attention to your body's hunger signals. Eat without distractions. Focus on your meal and eat slowly to enjoy every bite. Listen to your body. Pay attention to hunger and fullness cues to avoid overeating. Stress management. Importance: effective stress management is crucial for maintaining overall health and preventing burnout. Practice relaxation techniques. Incorporate deep breathing exercises, meditation, or journaling into your daily routine. Regular breaks. Take short breaks throughout the day to relax and unwind. Adequate sleep. Importance: quality sleep is essential for physical recovery, mental clarity, and overall health. Routine: set a consistent sleep schedule. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep each night and go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Engage in calming activities such as reading or taking a warm bath before bed. Importance: self-care is vital for maintaining emotional and physical health and helps you recharge. Routine: schedule self-care activities. Regularly set aside time for activities that you enjoy and that help you relax. Prioritize yourself. Make self-care a non-negotiable part of your routine to prevent burnout. Morning hydration. Show footage of preparing and drinking a glass of water with lemon. Daily physical activity. Demonstrate various exercises and stretches. Balanced nutrition. Display balanced meal examples and meal prep activities. Mindful eating. Illustrate mindful eating practices with a focus on slow eating and portion control. Stress management. Show techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, and journaling. Adequate sleep. Demonstrate a calming bedtime routine and bedroom setup. Consistent self-care. Feature self-care activities like reading, relaxing baths, and hobbies. Questions: what healthy habits do you follow daily? Share your routines and tips in the comments below. Challenges: challenge yourself to integrate one of these habits into your daily routine and let us know your progress by tagging us on social media with #HealthyRoutinesChallenge. What healthy habits do you follow daily? Share your routines and tips in the comments below. Challenges: challenge yourself to integrate one of these habits into your daily routine and let us know your progress by tagging us on social media with #HealthyRoutinesChallenge. Remember, implementing new habits takes time and patience. Celebrate each small victory and stay consistent with your efforts. you're on the path to a healthier and more balanced life. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these tips. For more resources and related content, check out my other videos on fitness routines and meal planning. Visit my website for additional guides and tools to support your health journey. To recap, we've covered 7 essential habits that can enhance your daily routine and improve your overall health. From morning hydration to consistent self-care, these habits are designed to help you lead a healthier and more fulfilling life. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore practical tips for creating a balanced meal plan that fits into your busy schedule. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or exercise routine. This video is intended for informational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.